Nairobi, the bustling capital of Kenya, home to over 3 million people. Like any major city, it has all the modern amenities. And it also has areas of town that could use some support. That's where we come in. Performers Without Borders is in its third year touring here, and this year I have the privilege of being one of the tour leaders. Welcome to my video blog about our Nairobi project. This is Kibera, one of the world's largest slums. Most residents here earn less than $1 per day and live without electricity or running water. There are a few schools in the area, but we teamed up with an NGO called Shining Hope for Communities that operates an all-girls school in the heart of Kibera. We put on our amazing magical circus show and had a phenomenal time. By the way, this background music is a beat to Man's Not Hot, one of the most popular songs in Nairobi right now.
Thanks. You're welcome.
Hi guys! So I'm at the Giraffe Center here right outside of Nairobi, Kenya. And Performers Without Borders has been doing an amazing job working here for the last month. We've worked with thousands of children. We've gone to a lot of orphanages, a lot of schools. We've been working with programs that work with the street children in the slums. And it's been a phenomenal experience, getting used to the Kenyan culture, meeting a lot of locals here. Everyone that I've met has been extremely nice. And it's just been an amazing experience overall. I have a lot of footage from what we've been doing, but meeting the kids has been heartwarming and soul fulfilling. It's amazing to see their smiles, to see their laughter, and to hear their stories. A lot of these children have come from unthinkable backgrounds where they're living on the street, where they're really in need and are looking for food, for shelter, for safety. And it's been amazing to make them smile, make them laugh, work with them and teach them new skills and get to know their stories. We've been working as a team really well. We are a team of 6 and we have an amazing circus show that lasts about 45 minutes. We've performed quite a bit. We also have been doing a lot of fire performances. We've been able to go out and enjoy some time off. Every week on Sundays we have the day off. So we've been going out Saturday nights to different clubs and spinning fire and performing a bit. And we've also made some local friends who have shown us around, taken us to really good restaurants. The culture here is really modern, so you can pretty much get any sort of Western food you like. But I actually prefer going to more of the local spots where they have like beans and rice and chapatis. And they cook some different meats like noma choma is what they call it, just grilled chicken or grilled beef. And my favorite spot so far has been here at the Giraffe Center. It's been pretty amazing to hang out and see these real giraffes. These are all rescue animals, so they take the giraffes in and they either rescue them or they're born here and they release them back into the wild. So that's really nice. They're working with these giraffes in a very amazing way. And I'll just let the footage speak for itself. Every week we've gone back to work at the Kenyatta Hospital with one of my favorite projects, which is called Smiles for Change. They do work with kids that are healing there in the hospital, and we just come and provide them with some laughter and some entertainment while they're healing. We've worked with their burns unit, which has been really, really emotional to see and witness. But it's been really good, and it's been really amazing working with the kids. Most of the kids we meet just really want some attention. They just want a hug. They want you to hear their name and repeat it back to them and give them some love. So that's been a really amazing experience. I will check in with you guys again when I get to Nakuru. That's going to be our next project, and we're going to spend a month there. And for now, we have 1 week off, so I'm going to go exploring and go on a safari to the Masai Mara. Check out my blog for more info, or my Instagram, Spinning Spades. There's also the Performers Without Borders Instagram. And check out our hashtag, which is hashtag PWB Kenya 2018. And we're posting daily on that, so you can see all sorts of daily updates. All right, guys, thanks, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
One, two, make a circle, 3, 4, a big circle.
Oh.